infinite void. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you. Hey, hope everyone's doing well. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make this video animation. Let's get started with this animation tutorial. So this animation video is a subscribe button for my end screen for YouTube. And I want to show you how I created this. So I generally create all my graphics in the Adobe creative suites. So like Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, and all those kind of things. And with this video, I'm not going to show you in detail how I animated it. I'm just going to show you the process sort of. So I'm assuming that you have a general ideal of using After Effects. So I'm assuming that you have experience in using this software, and I'll just show you how I created the concept in this, in the layers and stuff like that. So to get started, I created the graphics all in After Effects. And this black arrow is the only element that wasn't created in After Effects. So it was actually created in Adobe Illustrator because I didn't know how to make it in After Effects. So I just made it in Adobe Illustrator, then imported the file into After Effects. So here are the layers. I am gonna display them and undisplay them so then you know which one is which item. So let's go to the very beginning. So right here is the subscription button, then the subscribe text button, the video icon is like that. Those are the layers. And then there's the arrow. So I want to show you the elements of how I animate this. So all I just did was I changed the color value of the red box and the icon, the video icon color. And then for the arrow, I just changed the position and the opacity. So as you can see when I scroll in here, the arrow is changing its position, and then later it changes the opacity. And if you pay attention to the red color, you'll see that the red color changes to gray, and that's what the animation is about. And I am assuming that you guys already know how to create the keyframes in Adobe After Effects. So I won't go through that, but I'll link the file to the description box of my YouTube video so you can have access to this file, and then you can add it to your own YouTube videos if you'd like. It's free to use since I created this, and I'm making it available to the public. Thanks for watching!